Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by laying out your pattern and cutting the fabric pieces precisely. This prevents puckers later. Once cut, align right sides together and pin. You'll make the first straight seam along the body edge using a small running stitch or machine at 0. 5 cm seam allowance, which gives clean curves. Make sure to leave a 6/8 cm gap for turning and stuffing. That opening is crucial because it's where you'll finish and shape the doll. Once the body is turned and lightly stuffed, position arms and legs where proportions look right, pin and base to hold. You then attach limbs permanently with small backstitches through both body and limb seams so they sit securely. Next, add facial features. Embroider eyes and mouth before overstuffing to control shape, because fabric shifts less now. Make sure to tighten each stitch and hide thread tails inside. This prevents splitting when the doll. You finish by filling the doll to desired firmness and closing the opening with a ladder stitch so the seam disappears. Take small stitches and pull gently for a neat finish. Then add hair and clothing, sew a simple dress or glue a yarn wig and trim for proportion. If seams gap or stuffing bulges, remove a few stitches, redistribute stuffing evenly, and restitch with smaller, closer seams. That single fix resolves most finishing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.